In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Cash App to debit card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have balance available on Cash App, you can easily withdraw it to a debit card or a bank account. It doesn't matter. So to start, access your profile. You can tap on this icon here at the top right corner of the screen. Now go over to Linked Banks. In here, you can manage the connections that have been established with your Cash App account, and you can link new banks, debit cards, or credit cards. So link the card as you see fit. Once you have a debit card, a bank account, or even a credit card linked, you will be able to withdraw any amount of money from your Cash App balance. So now go back into the Money screen, tap on the home icon, and choose the option Withdraw. So this is either going to say Cash Out or Withdraw. When you choose this option, initially you have to set up how much you want to withdraw. So your total is going to be displayed here, how much you have available. And then you can set it up using this slider or typing the exact amount. Once you have the amount set up, you will get the prompt, how would you like to transfer this amount of money to your external bank? If you choose instant, the money is going to go to your debit card, and like the name suggests, it is going to be instant, but it has a small fee attached to it. On the other hand, a standard transfer has no fees, but it can take a couple of days. So you will see the day of the week listed here in which you will receive your money. It's up to you on how urgent you need the money. So now choose the method, and if you still don't have a debit card linked, they will give you one last pop-up so you can link your debit card with ease. Once you have your debit card linked, the money is going to go through and you will be able to withdraw. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.